All right, folks, this is the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We are changing the low beam headlight. All right, you would think that it would come out through here. All right, it's all the way in there. Okay, you have to stick your hand between this fuse box and the computer and the coolant jar. But they made a little access panel for you for the wheel. And you think it's really easy there? No, it's not. Turn the wheel all the way to the left if you're doing the right side headlight. Take this, turn this off. When you take that off, there's going to be a little black plastic cap like this that covers the headlight. Just grab the little tabs and pull it out. Is it easy? No. Because what they did there, they put a little bracket there. Okay? The bulb is in there. See it with the little blue tag? That's the baby in there. So you got to go around this bracket over here. So you got to be a little bit of a contortionist to get that little sucker out. So I'm going to stick my hand in there. I'm going to do a lefty loosey, righty tighty thing and pull that out. All right, there it is. Think it was easy coming out? No, because you still have no room in there to actually put your hand in and grab it. And because it's been there from 2018, 3 years, 4 years, that thing does not want to spin. So what I had to do was I took a screwdriver, okay? Took a screwdriver and I started to make the turn. I anchored it and I kind of pushed it down to kind of get it to turn a little bit, just to loosen it up, okay? That's what you had to do in order to get this going. Because you can't really get in there with your hand. So I took a screwdriver in there, stuck it in the hole, I anchored it right on top of this here by the connector, and I just gave it a little push, gave it a little nudge. Once I nudged it, then it came out pretty decent. You still had to stick your hand in there, and that's where I am right now. All right, came out pretty good. Go over here, you can use two hands. Just flip this, plug in the new one. That's what I'm about to do now. All right, that was simple. Just pull that tab up out of the way and it comes right out. Okay, here's the old one. You can see it's all burnt. See the burnt mark there, right there on the glass. All right, so now I'm gonna stick my hand in there. I'm gonna stick it back in there. All right. And I tell you, it's something to get in there. That's for sure. All right. The hole for the bulb is exactly just a little bit bigger than the hole. So yeah, you gotta have to guide that sucker in there so it's perfect. And then righty tighty. Then put the cap on. Okay, the little plastic cap. Then put the outside cap on, and then you should be done. All right. This is the bulb that's installed. I'm gonna go turn on the headlights and we're gonna check it right now. Let's go take a look. Man, that was a little something to get in there. That's for sure. All right, that's the driver's side. This is the passenger side that we just installed. There you go. Good to go. All right. Put everything back, people. Thanks for watching. Ciao.